Here we have three pieces of a single stand: the stand base, the pull extension, and the back plate. Use the T-handle hex wrench when assembling, disassembling, or adjusting the height of the stand. Remove the back plate for now, we will come back to it later. Lay the pull extension on its side. Grab the base and flip it upside down so that the holes near the center have the countersink side facing away from the base. The screws at the top of the pull extension will slide into the base and lock by sliding the screws in a lateral direction. Now tighten them with our T-handle hex wrench to lock them in place. Flip the stand right side up so that the base is on the floor. Note that the longer area on the base is the back and the shorter area is on the front. Before attaching the back plate, we must take off the cover piece at the top of the pull extension. Here's an image of the top and bottom of the back plate. Two metallic pins on top and one pin centered near the bottom. The back of this plate has a slider that will enter the front pull extension. Slide down the back plate a couple of inches by placing the back slider through the pull extension. Then tighten the two center screws to lock it in place. Now reattach the front cover cap we removed earlier. To adjust the height of your back plate, simply loosen the knob at the back of your pull extension, then tighten when satisfied. Place weighted plates or sandbags on the base to stabilize the pod stand when in use.